Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys the top 5 mods for your Acura RSX Type S. Alright, so for your first mod, I would say start off with the intake. It doesn't have to be a short ram intake like mine. It could be a cold air intake. If you're trying to make the most power, I would probably say go with a cold air intake rather than a short ram intake. I had to go with the short ram because of my situation, but your situation might be different. Oh shit, it's disconnected. Yeah, that was kind of weird. I'm gonna have to go back and put a clamp on that. So for your second mod, I would say get the header. You're gonna want a header because you're gonna want your car to get the air out as fast as possible. And then for your third mod, I would say go with an exhaust. I have a pretty small exhaust compared to a lot of the other exhausts that are out there. I have a Borla exhaust. It's a 2.5 inch exhaust, and it's pretty small. I believe the stock exhaust is like 2 1/4, so barely any bigger, but you can definitely hear it. It sounds deeper. I like how it sounds, so I'm keeping this one for now. And then for your fourth mod, I don't have this one, but I would strongly recommend it to you. When I got the car tuned, I spoke with my tuner. He said that I should have gotten this mod rather than getting the cams. I thought I would make more power with the cams, but I probably would have made a lot more power with the RBC manifold. The RBC manifold is the manifold that's in the 8th gen SIs. Learn from my mistake. I spoke to my tuner about this. He said that I should have gotten this part prior to me taking the car in for a tune. I didn't. I didn't get the RBC manifold. And you want to get the RBC manifold because it's going to be bigger. It's going to be bringing more air into your engine. Your engine's going to be breathing better, and it's going to work well with your other parts. Your header and your exhaust are going to get the air out as fast as possible, while your intake and your RBC manifold is going to be bringing in as much air as possible. So it'll all work together, and you'll be able to make more power. And lastly, I would say get yourself a tuning management system, whether it's a Honda ECU, or if you want to go with the Ktuner ECU. I have a Ktuner ECU. It's cheaper on my car. I have an 05 RSX Type S. If you have an 02 and 04, I believe the Honda is cheaper for you, but for the 05, 06, Ktuner was cheaper for me. I've had it for a while. I don't know if that's still the same, but at the time when I bought it, that's what was cheaper. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.